Alright guys, here is my 200-mile setup right here. So I'm going to start at the front of the bike. I got my Garmin 510 fully charged. I got my Night Rider Lumina 700 Lumen right here, fully charged. The light's blue, so that means it's fully charged. I got my Specialized sticks right here, fully charged. And then up in the front I got my Blackburn top tube bag with my little speaker, my extra cell phone to control the music. Got some Cliff Bars in here and some SOS hydration packets, as well as some sport beans. Just gonna show you what that looks like, I guess. Let me pause. Okay, so there it is. Got my Bluetooth speaker in there, and some Cliff Bars, and Bolt gummy chews, as well as sport beans. Why is that out of focus? Sport beans and SOS packets. I gotta go buy some more because I only have one of those in there. And I also got Gatorade powder, fruit punch, which I like the SOS more than the fruit punch. And then I got Cliff Bars in there. And then my frame bag has got my 3-liter Geiger rig water bladder in here. 3-liter Geiger rig bladder. I got an extra tire lever here from Pedros. I love these tire levers from Pedros. Nearly indestructible. And I also have my full frame, or not frame, my full-sized Toe Peak Road Morph pump in here, which also has a gauge right there for accuracy. Why is that not focusing? Jeez, there. It's got a PSI bar as well as regular bar gauge, and it's Presta or Schrader, and it's the I believe it's the best hand pump that doubles sort of as a floor pump, and that fits in my frame bag. So then on my other side of this frame bag, I got more Cliff Bars and more Bolt energy chews and more sport beans right there in the side pocket and I also got my painkillers, ibuprofen, and iron in here for the ride. And what else? Do I have anything in here? I don't have anything in there yet. Okay, and then back here I have my Sentinel bike light right here. And I got my Blackburn Adventure saddle pack right there. And I didn't fully load it, so I used a tarp tent strap to cinch it down more, so this part isn't extending out like that. It's kind of all compressed in there, so it won't be shaking around during the ride. As well as I have an extra Specialized sticks back here, red light strobe for safety. So I got one down there and I got one back here, so I'm definitely gonna be seen And I am also using my Specialized Pro power saddle right there. And this is the drinking tube right here from Geiger Rig. I like it a lot because it has a shutoff valve, and it works really well. You can also pump up the Geiger Rig water bladder so it sprays water, but I'm not gonna use the pump spray that comes with it. Kind of looks like a blood pressure cuff pump, but I'm not gonna use that because it takes up too much space in the bag, and I use that space for the what do you call it, the pump. And here's my Italian race mirror, which I have to clean, and I might put a little bottle here, but I could fit some cans of soda right here, basically. Well, in this one anyway. This one probably can't fit anything, but that's what it looks like. I haven't extended the frame bag all the way down. I could do that if I wanted to. That's the option with this Blackburn bag. This zipper here controls the extra compartment, which will bring it down further. Maybe I might do that. Maybe not. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is the Green Cyborg YouTube channel. And tomorrow is my 200-mile ride. I have an empty water bottle in here, 2 spare tubes. What else do I have in here? I have some extra Cliff Bars, and I think that's about it. Oh, and also my tools. So, and then my jersey pockets can hold extra things as well. So that's about it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm also using 28C tires on this Specialized tarmac. 28C. And there is the clearance for 28C tires. There's the seat tube clearance, and there is the brake clearance right there. Okay. All right, bye-bye.